I am a huge fan of the cross grips doorway pull-up bar handles. However, I just went and bought a competitor, the Duonamic Eleviia. I'm not quite sure how to say it. I'm going to say Duonamic Elevia is what I'm going to go with, but I'm going to see if this product is better than the cross grips for my home pull-up needs. So first off, let's look at the price, which is going to be the biggest obstacle for most people. So I purchased this off of Amazon.com for $121.50. Now add on about $10 for Texas taxes, and my total came out to $131.52 to buy a product that you could really only do pull-up style exercises with. So after making that purchase, it finally arrived at my doorstep, and what I got inside was the following. First off, you get 2 Duonamic Eleviia handles. So that's what we're going to be using, putting on your door. But that's all this product really is. It comes fully assembled and ready to go, so there's no assembly required at all. You can put them right on your door and do pull-ups right away. You also, of course, get the main box it comes in and a little pamphlet that has different safety measures and how to use procedures within it. So the item really comes in 2 separate parts. First off, you have a horseshoe-shaped object that is spring-loaded inside, so you can pull it apart and then it springs back together in order to stay solid on your door frame. The other is a rope and handle that goes alongside it, and you actually grab onto the handle with the rope in order to do your pull-up exercises. The size of the doorway handles are 10 inches by 9 inches by 4.5 inches, and can also support up to 250 pounds of weight. So if you are at that or above it, I do not recommend this, and find some other doorway pull-up bar. You might even want to lose some weight, as most door frames probably can't support more than 250 pounds anyways. Now for your wall and door frame specifications, it recommends that you have at least a 1/4 inch or 0.25 inches of space with your door frame width. So that means the door frame that comes away from the wall, at least 1/4 inch off the wall for it to work properly. Also, for the width of the actual wall, it's going to be a minimum of 4.75 inches with a max, so the max you can actually stretch the handles before they kind of clasp back together is 6 inches. So it has to be between 4.75 inches and 6 inches. And lastly, the safety measures in the pamphlet say that you must use both handles at the same time. You cannot use one, as it won't properly support your weight and will most likely either break the door frame or come off entirely and you will crash to the floor. But with that, let's jump into my pros and cons list for the Duonamic Eleviia, starting with the pros. My first pro is that this is very easy to use. Again, it comes fully assembled. All you have to do is pull them apart a little bit, put them up on your door frame, and then let the spring close them back together, and you're ready to exercise from there. My next pro is that you can set any width you would like that's within the door frame limits. So you can put them as close or as far as the door frame will allow in order to do whatever style pull-ups you'd like to do. Not only that, but because this is 2 separate handles, they are rather small and can fit really into any knapsack or carry-on case. So you can travel with them very well. So if you're going someplace that has a door frame that can support this, you can work out on the go with many of your pulling exercise needs. For material, it seems like a good hard plastic that is made of. I think I read on the Amazon page that it is actually made of some kind of aerospace material, like every other one of these I read says. But just know, it seems like it's a good, hard, sturdy material that should last you some time. And after some of my initial short testing, there has been no damage I've seen at all on my door frame, much like the cross grips I have, but just know, it looks like it's going to be good at protecting your door overall. But that's it for my pros. Let's jump over to my cons list. So the very first con, and this is super obvious, is the price tag of this item. Coming in at over $120 from when I purchased it, to being only able to really do 2 separate style of pulling exercises. This is a big problem in my opinion. It even says that you're not really supposed to put your feet out in front of you, so it says to keep your feet directly under the handles themselves. So that actually gets rid of being able to do things like L-sits with this item. So it's really hard for me to recommend this item with a $120 price tag and some other cons I'm going to get to now. My next con is that when I compare these to the cross grips, they do not feel as stable as the cross grips do. When I was using them, because your hands are not locked in place and they can turn because it's just a rope anchoring you onto the handles, it really feels like these could come off at any time. I really wish they were a bit more stable. I don't think they would come off, but just from using it, it does not feel as stable as many of the other door frame items I've used in the past. And again, you can only do 2 exercises with this really at all. You can do standard pull-ups where your palms face away from you, or you can do chin-ups where your palms face toward you. You can't do neutral, anything like that, because they can't be turned in that way and sit in that position. They might shift a little bit as you do normal pull-ups, but you can't actually like lock into a neutral and do that exercise only. Next up is that the handlebars themselves are actually not that easy to hold on to. Even when I didn't have sweaty palms, I just set them up, I actually felt like I was slipping off of the handles right away. So this is also a very big issue with me. I'm really trying to find something that anchors my hands really well. Even my cross grips, this is one of my complaints with them, that I wish they weren't as slippery when I get sweaty. But even not being sweaty, these ones feel worse than the cross grips when trying to hold on to those handles. So my next con is one that's probably not going to matter for anyone, but when reading through the pamphlet, it does say that these are not waterproof, which is really surprising to me. It doesn't look like this would matter if water got on it, but specifically states in it it's not waterproof, so I guess don't get them wet. You're probably not going to, but just know, don't drop them in any kind of water or use them in anything like that, as you will probably ruin them, I guess, from what the pamphlet is stating. So that's the end of my cons. What are my final thoughts on this product moving forward? So with the price being so high and that I don't feel that safe using them, I really cannot recommend this product. I really wish I could. This was actually very heavily recommended for me on the channel. Basically, people asking me to test it out and give my thoughts on it. So it's not recommended, but really just a referral to the product. And after doing it just a few times, I really just cannot recommend it at this time. It's just not a product I feel is in a good place for most people to use. If I have to choose, I have to go back to the cross grips, as they are still my favorite. Now, the cross grips do take a little bit longer to set up and use, but they feel much better, in my opinion, when actually using it on your door frame. So I'm probably going to end up returning this product in the end. I may do a complete comparison of the cross grips versus the Duonamic Eleviia, but just know I don't plan on keeping this one long term, as again, I'm going to go back to the cross grips for my pull-up needs. Now, I hope this did help you make a decision if you would like to buy the Duonamic Eleviia or not. Of course, head over to my cross grips review so I can show you a product I really do enjoy and have been using a long time now for my home pull-ups without ruining my door frames. But with that, make sure you check out that video here, but I will see you in the next video. Be fit and game on.